We dive right into the world of fresh and healthy living. Today, let's talk about fresh juice and all the incredible goodness that it brings to our bodies. Fresh juice is like a vitamin bomb for our body, packed with nutrients and bursting with vitamins and minerals and enzymes that is vital for your body. Think about it, and your hair. You're getting all the goodness, fruits and veggies that you need in every delicious sip. It's like a multivitamin where you're craving a boost of energy or a delicious way to get your greens or refreshing treat. Fresh juice is your answer. It's a game changer. Now, juicing at home might sound intimidating, especially if you're new to this, but trust me, it's easier than what you think. So with a little bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time, especially with the right juicer. And the right equipment makes all the right difference. That's why I'm excited to introduce this juicer. All right, let's get this juicer started. It's time to get some delicious juice. First thing is first, gather your ingredients. Choose the most freshest fruits and vegetables that you can find. I prefer organic. Leafy greens, juicy fruits, maybe even like a little bit of ginger for a kick. More variety, the better the flavor of the juice. So let's assemble our juicer. It's really easy, you guys. Don't worry, it's super simple. It comes with very easy instructions. Just follow the steps. Basically, you just put the parts in place. It's like putting together a fun puzzle. Make for sure the juice container is securely in position. Safety first, always. You don't want any spills. Now wash and chop your produce in manageable pieces. What I like so much about this wonderful juice, you guys, it's full with copper material. That is so delightful. It's a high-powered juicer, you guys. It's quick and effective for soft vegetables, hard vegetables, or hard fruit. You're going to get so much good quality tasting juice. Fresh juice is the answer. It's a game changer. Now, juicing at home might find intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But trust me, it's easier than what you think. With a little bit of practice, you'll be a pro at it in no time, especially with the right juicer. And the right equipment makes all the right difference. And feed them to your chute. Press down and let the juicer work its magic. It's a mesmerizing process. You'll see vibrant, fresh juice pouring down in your glass. Amazing, right? Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay, so when it comes to cleaning, watch the juicer's parts immediately. This prevents any residues, sticking much easier. Cleanup is a breeze, keeps your juicer in top condition for the next use. So there you have it. fresh, delicious juice in the comfort of your own home. Enjoy the health benefits and the vibrant flavors every day. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys. This is why you'll love your new juicer. Making healthy choices has never been easier, more delicious. This juicer is not just a kitchen appliance, it's an investment in your well-being. It's about enjoy delicious, tasty juice with antioxidants, and it's about feeling energized and just glowing and letting your hair grow and your skin look amazing. What are you waiting for? Head over to Amazon and purchase the juicer and get it going. The links will be down below. Oh, your tongue and your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right there if you love videos like this, because I love talking about how to get your hair to grow, product review, a little bit of fashion as well. And I just can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post more videos.